Hey everyone, I'm back with a really fun spring haul. It's not too big, but I think it's perfect enough just for spring until we get to summer. So I'm going to show you, you guys know that I love the Stickles, and I got some new ones that I don't know if they just revamped it. There's new names. So I'm just going to start with these. So this one is actually unicorn, and you know how it's really hard to see the Stickles online. I want to really show you because they do have a different tint to them every time you put them on. So I'm going to do it, and I want to show you the unicorn. That was a new one for me because the other ones I have like Stardust and something else. And then we have, this is also one that I don't have, is Frosted Lace. So if I was curious, I'm sure you guys are. So this has almost like, probably like a, oh, it does look like a nice frost. So it has that little white to it, but it's frosty. Could have been frosty too, right? This is Glisten. I had to just shove everything off my desk because, okay, so this is Glisten. I want to know how many of you do craft fairs, because I have my next video, I want to do a quick one with some craft fair ideas for spring. So I'm just curious for my viewers to see. And this is Platinum. I feel like I have something like this, but gold. So yeah, it does kind of look like that. So there you go. You can see how they look just off that. And this has a more iridescent, it just looks yellow from the paper. Okay, so those are just to start. I just wanted to get those out of the way. Now let's start with the fun, the paper. Okay, so before I start doing the single-sided projects, I had ordered this before. That's why, of course, they are double-sided, all right? So I'm going to start with this adorable Simple Stories. The Tea Garden collection is just the sweetest. The colors are so fun. Like, Simple Stories usually kind of does the same colors, but I feel like they did them just a tad different, and I love it because it really does remind me of like a tea garden. So you've got these pretty yellow and green. And this is more of a classic Simple Stories, I feel like, right here. And the tags, which, oops, sorry, I wish I had that backwards, but look at how cute. I love anything. I don't drink tea. I don't know if you guys know that. So, but I love anything to do with tea. Isn't that weird? Okay, and then these pretty flowers and the plaid, more flowers. And I love this because you have this option of this big canvas here, or you can cut them up and use them into your little mini albums. And the little gingham prints with, of course, that. But I loved I don't really use the 4x6 journal cards too much, but I did want this pattern mixed with these other things. And I loved this color. This was really fun. And of course it had to be on the one with the journal cards that I use. And this was really beautiful as well. This pretty like orange and yellow. Reminds me of, I don't know, reminds me of fall almost, but spring. And these cute little cutouts, if you want to use those. I don't really have any little kids around, so I probably won't use that. And then of course the teapots. And this pretty polka dot paper. So I got that, of course, with the journal bits. And these are the journal bits here. And then you've got the floral bits. And you know I cannot pass up the floral bits, but look at how many different variations they are. So that is going to be lots of fun. Next Simple Stories one is the Simple Vintage Flower Shop. Okay, this one I am crazy for. Look at this right here. This is so much prettier than when I got it online, or when I ordered it online. We've got that, and then you've got the plaid, lots of plaid, and these pretty brown colors. And look at these two together. The contrast is, oh, very nice. And then you've got these gorgeous journaling cards, which, let me see the back. See, how am I supposed to use this? It's just too much beauty on one page. Like, which side do I use? And then this is actually, so the gingham, you can pick, hi buddy, you can pick all sorts of colors. I only picked like maybe 2 or 3 of these, but it comes in the variation of the pack. So there's like purple, orange, yellow, blue, and then the other side is just plain. And then I've got these gorgeous tags. You guys know I put tags on everything. On the back, the tags are really pretty. And then this scrappy page, which I love when they do these. It's always nice to have that. And the back is this bingo little thing right here. And look at this page. I'm regretting not getting 2 of these. I'm regretting not getting 2 of those and that first page that I showed you. Like, look at these. Oh my goodness. They're just so pretty. I am just like obsessed with this palette that they did. And it's of course on this, on the journaling portion, but I definitely should have got 2 of those. So if you do order them, just know that you will not regret ordering 2 of these. And this is fun. It's like a little crumbled looking. I didn't crumble that. That's actually how the effect looks on the paper. How cool, right? So there's that. And on the back, it has the little, I forget what you call that. Cinema something. I remember I had it when I was a kid. And then another really pretty page. Some more little bits and pieces here. And then again, I ordered this color in the gingham, the pink, to just switch it up. So the pieces that I ordered with this are going to be this one right here. They had so many different ones, but just showing you the one with the little film in there. And they're large, as you can see. Maybe I'll open it for you. And myself, I didn't open it yet. It just came to my door. But I always have to show you right away because I want to dig right in. So you can see the pieces. And if I start digging in, none of the collections are going to be all over the place. So there's actually some large pieces, but there's quite a few small ones now. These are like the fun little layered ones. And look at, here's a bunch of smaller ones. And these are larger. This is great for a scrapbook album. And lots of little borders. And of course the layers. And then these are the floral bits, which are all the pretty flowers. So I always have to get 2 of those. I don't know which one ever to get. And this is a big Simple Stories haul. Is this one Simple Stories? Oh yeah, it is. I did. So this one's more muted. That's a lot more fun and vibrant. This is the Front Porch collection, which is a lot more muted. And I feel like I want that sometimes when we're doing certain albums. So we've got some browns, and look at these cute hearts. They look like little stitched hearts. I'm shedding everywhere. And of course, little journals and some beautiful tags. I love this blue polka dot one. And this one here. This one, a little mauve. And then we've got the wood, but I really liked the red on the back. This mustard page is just so pretty. And then we've got the flowers. So this would be a great like journal, like if you're doing something and you want to show it off like this. Ooh, so pretty. And how fun is this? Because you can fussy cut that or use it for a background. And some blue polka dots, journaling cards. You see them. The back is this pretty blueprint. Really pretty. I'm in some blue and white pottery group. I have just started getting obsessed with it. Is there any blue pottery collectors? And this is fun, just a fun page with the red. The pieces, of course, I got more florals because, you know, I had to. But this one, I got the butterfly birds and bits pieces too. Now, look at how cute those are. Let me see. I wanted to see what the branches look like. Because I don't think I've ever seen them. I mean, no, they do birds, but I was just curious because these are a little more cartoony, but they're really cute. See that? Lots of butterflies. I wanted to see these little twigs and things. So yeah, there's a ton of them. Oh my goodness. You won't run out for this collection. There is a lot. So, and I love those little details on the pockets and things. So that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to dig right in. And again, I'm curious to know how many of you do craft supply, or not craft shows, because I have the best little spring inspiration video to do, and I think you guys will love it. All right, guys. See you soon.